Guys, welcome to today's video. In this video, I'll be showing you how to claim the daily cipher for today, July 15th, 2024. So the Morse code for today is DEX, DEX. Go to daily cipher here and click on it. When you click on daily cipher, you type in the first letter, which is D. And to get that D, you do one dash and two dots. One dash and two dots. For the E, you just do one dot. For the X, you do one dash, one dot, another dot, and the last dash. One dash, one dot, second dot, and the last dash. That's it for the video. The code is cracked. Take the prize. That's it for today's video, guys. Ensure you like this video, subscribe, and turn on bell notification. Thanks for watching, guys.